Imperial is the only university that specializes in what we call STEM subjects at undergraduate level. It means that we only focus on science, technology, engineering, medicine, and we combine this with business. You're not going to find this combination at university level, this specialization at university level anywhere else. And we're also a medium-sized university. The size of the university is something really important. It's something that you might want to consider when applying to a university. Our community is a medium-sized one. We have 23,000 students, and half of them study undergraduate level. This university are much bigger, university are much smaller, but it's a very scientific community, and it's also a very diverse one. We have over 150 different nationalities on campus. So whenever you're in the classroom, you'll be with people from all over the world. This is particularly important because the people in your classroom are the people that you are going to work with. So you're already networking, you're already building your future careers network. And we are formed by 4 faculties. We're the Faculty of Engineering, the one on Natural Science, Medicine, and Business School. And we have over 110 different programs. And most degree programs in the UK are 3 years long. Okay, so you finish your undergraduate degree in 3 years. But some programs, they come for 4 years, like the mechanical engineering program, which is a MEng. What does it mean? It means that there is a Master of Engineering. So you complete 3 years at undergraduate level, and you continue straight away into 1 year of masters. Again, master's degree in the UK are only 1 year long, so that's 1 year less if you were studying in Europe or in America. So yeah, if you see the 4 years degree and you're confused by this, it's for this reason, because you're already studying a undergraduate and postgraduate together. There's also some options for most programs to study with 1 year abroad or 1 year in industry. And this will be on top of your 4 years in the case of the mechanical engineering program. So please check on the website as well which program you're going to be applying for. But the mechanical engineering program is a 4 years long program. You cannot take it just for 3 years. And something else that makes Imperial really different from other universities is the facilities that we have on campus. If you do have the chance to visit us before you apply, we run campus tours on Wednesdays. You can come and see the facilities. You can come and speak with our students as well. We have carbon capture pilot plant. We have wind tunnels. We have a aerodynamics lab, a flight simulator. We have a flight arena where you can build and test your drones. We have a chemical kitchen where we teach students how to the fundamental of chemistry for cooking. But all of these facilities are available for students, and that's how we also teach our students. And yes, we are a specialist university. I kept saying like how we specialize in science and we combine this with business, but we do give students the opportunity in the second and third year of studies to pick 4 modules in total called I Explore modules. These modules, they give you the opportunity to either explore other subjects. So let's say that you come and study mechanical engineering, but you are interested in taking modules maybe from the business school. Maybe you want to take specific modules for business for engineers. Maybe you want to do something more creative. We have like music production courses. Maybe you want to learn another language. Maybe you want to pick up Italian. But there's many different modules to choose from to really tailor the degree to your liking. And Imperial is also very entrepreneurial. Again, most of the students that come to Imperial, they come with an idea of a product or a startup or a business that they want to launch. And this is possible while you're still studying at university. For example, via the Enterprise Lab, you can put together the funds to jumpstart your career. You can receive business coaching, marketing support. They also run a series of competitions competition throughout the year. The students can enter in collaboration with other students from different departments for the chance to win money. And we have, for example, the largest prize found at university level for an entrepreneur competition, the Venture Catalyst Challenge, where the winning team can win up to 100,000 K. We also have art spaces around campus. So these are there's loads of like technical equipment like 3D printers, laser cutters, wood cutters, to really to create a product, like to create a prototype. And there's also staff hand that they can show you how to use it. All of this is available to students free of charge. And of course, coming to university and investing in your future is also because you want to make sure that at the end you can find a job or you can have the careers of your dream. And this is the only time that I will mention rankings because I don't think students should choose a university just based on rankings. But if you look at the specific stats for employment, for reputation that our students have with employers, employability rate, that's why Imperial ranks #1 in the UK and #2 in the world. So again, it's a little bit of a reassurance that if you come and study with us, you're fully supported, not just throughout your studies, but also afterwards in trying and finding a job. And there's tailored career support. There's various different employers event. We're in London, so we are at the doorstep of many different employers. We have something like 70 careers fairs in 1 year alone. And many departments, they even have to charge companies they want to come and chat to our students. We also have alumni programs where you can mentor or shadow some more of our alumni to get an insight into various different industries that you might want to work in. And I also get asked, where do our students go to? And that is also really hard because I find that our students develop so many transferable and different skills. They can take them to really any sectors of their liking. But these are just some of the close industrial connection that we have from IBM to Meta, AstraZeneca. Our School of Engineering or Design Engineering, for example, has been kindly sponsored by Dyson. So we have incredible equipment. Again, just to mention a few of the companies that we work with. And just briefly, I wanted to mention about the student life because, yes, of course, you're coming to study, but it's also about international experience. It's also about being a student in London. And Imperial is in a really beautiful location. If you've been to London and you've been to any of the museum, like the National History Museum or the Science Museum, or even if you've been to Hyde Park, you probably walk past Imperial without realizing. We're in the beautiful area called South Kensington, extremely safe, and it's really centrally located, only a few stops away from Oxford Circus and a couple of minutes walk from Hyde Park, which is obviously like a beautiful green space. But what I really love about Imperial is that we have a campus university, so all of the facilities, everything is in one place, so you don't really have to commute or walk very far anytime you have to go to class or to the lab or to the library. And on campus, we have different facilities as well. And we also run next door to the Royal Albert Hall, which is a famous concert hall. And that's where all of our current graduation ceremonies are taking place. So at the end of the 4 years, when you finish your Mech-Eng degree, you could be celebrating here with a family friends, which makes it for the perfect location to celebrate all of your hard work and achievements. And what I really like about UK universities is that they have student unions. They are run by students for students. And Imperial students being excellent about everything that they do. They have more than double the amount of student societies than any other university. They have over 370 different student-run society and clubs. So whether you're already maybe playing a sport, you want to continue practicing that or trying a new one, there are some societies that are a bit more cultural, some that are related to what you're going to be studying. There's some that are a bit more extreme, like skydiving. But maybe tell your parents after you've done that, not before. But please do try at least once if you come and study in the UK or Imperial, because it's a really good way to make connections outside of the classroom.